I think it's because we're Asian. We like seasoning.
Just a little this time.
I think it's good.
You guys hear that? We're back! Oh my goodness!
Yes,
so exciting! We are back for a touch of Disney. So we are visiting the California Adventure Park this morning or today. From what time does it actually start?
It starts from 12
to 8.
You can't see me.
Oh, let me.
12 to 8. Happening now till like mid-April.
Yes. So exciting.
So exciting.
We haven't been here for a year.
We know the parks are opening April 30th, but we are not going probably because we are moving, as y'all know.
Yep.
So this is our...
We actually closed today.
This is our touch of Disney. Oh, we did?
Yeah, we closed today.
That's right, you already told me
We
that.
closed today, so the
We
house
did.
is ours.
So our house is ours, but we're not moving till April 30th. So you know what?
More
it's
to
not
come.
meant for us to go to Disney right now. So we're here right now for our little touch of Disney. Today's event is just food, shopping, characters,
Oh yeah.
and just taking in the music, guys.
Yes. That's all we
But
want.
we're gonna take you along. If you're watching this and you are still going to the event, there's probably gonna be like 2 more weekends. I'm gonna make Jonathan pump this vlog out so you guys can see what you guys might want to do when you come to the event,
Yes.
or just see how Disney is taking COVID. You know what they're doing for COVID
Very
protocols.
serious.
Very serious. Like the line is long, but it's because there's markers on the floor saying to please
Every
wait
6
here
feet.
for social distancing. Can't take off your mask, and then we'll share more as we learn more throughout the day.
So guys, we're at Disneyland California Adventure. So but we are at California Adventure and we're having lunch right now. And then decided that we're here and I even got a new mask.
Yes, it's from Melissa. You say thanks, Melissa.
Thanks, Melissa.
Bye.
Bye.
It's hot, guys. So we already had lunch. We went to Lamplight. We were able to snag a reservation by me checking literally every day for a reservation just to see if people cancel. So we got one right when they open at 12. All we got, Jonathan will probably show y'all, lobster nachos and just drinks. Got my ice cream canister. It was perfect. But it's so hot. Okay, well y'all can see this is not the lemon. This is a lemon and pineapple Dole Whip soft serve, and they're serving it at the Abominable Snowman place. It's good. I hope they keep the pineapple here.
You guys ready? Go. All right.
Okay, go ahead.
I'm eating grilled cheese mama.
Grilled cheese mama. Grilled cheese with what?
With tomato soup, my
Tomato
favorite.
soup. And then what are you drinking there?
It's like green drink, and it tastes like pink one.
Tastes like a pink fizzy drink. You like it? That one's Leah's.
Oh, there's a strawberry.
So the girls are eating grilled cheese right now. That's actually the grilled cheese from Jolly, what's it called? Jolly Holiday from
Disneyland.
Disneyland. So a couple of the foods that they have here at A Touch of Disney are from the actual Disneyland park. Like they have the Monte Cristo, they have the skewers. Oh yeah, do you guys like the Bengal barbecue skewers? Because I read they had those too. The skewers. The corn dog from the Corn Dogs on Main Street. And did I already say the Monte Cristo? I think that's it, right? I feel like there's one more. But anyway, so the girls are eating the grilled cheese because they love the grilled cheese from over there. It is one of our go-tos. But we realized we did a lot of drinking this morning, not enough eating. And then when our friends and my cousin, they like ordered margarita, they realized the lines to order are ridiculous, and you have to be on the mobile Disneyland app. So be sure if you're coming to this event that you already have the app downloaded and you're like totally familiar with using the app, because that's basically how you order here. You just order on the app and you just pick up at the windows. It's all contactless payment. It's all like with the card. You just do it on the app. So you gotta really plan out what you're gonna eat, or else you're just like scrambling for times and stuff. It's really not that bad. It's just we weren't ready. Like if we had come ready, we probably, yeah, and it's hot, so it's kind of like I don't want to be standing around in the sun. But if you're coming, just plan out what you want to eat, be familiar with what the names are of the places you're going to get, and be familiar with the app. Okay, we're back. We went on an escapade. If you have an annual pass or a legacy pass holder, you can pick up a legacy pass holder button and magnet and take photos for the Disney California 20th anniversary backdrop thing. So we went to go do that.
Ooh.
Oh my god. Girls got bubbles, so that's what we're dealing with. But we're finally eating again. And I remember last year, or 2 years ago, for the Food and Wine, was it?
Yep,
right? The Food and Wine Festival. We tried these pizza egg rolls. So we're trying it again. Still good?
I've heard people say it's too salty. I personally like salty things. I like it.
So guys, I'm on my daddy's shoulders, and look, I say hi, Daddy.
Hi guys.
He's just so happy that we're in California Adventure, and we're definitely having fun. Right, Dad?
Oh yeah, tons of fun.
These 5 are just chilling over here, and we're just talking and stuff, and yeah, bye.
This 2021 mask tan is real. I'm like darker from the face, like my upper face.
Am
No, I think your makeup did you good, girl.
Makeup. Oh,
How about you, Zay? How about you, Zay?
Do I look 30? How about Zay? How old do I look?
44.
Wow. How old does Daddy look? 57.
What?
17.
Oh, okay, 17.
70 or
17.
17.
There you go. There you go.
Now Jack's here.
Yep.
How was your first trip?
This is
This
first
was
trip.
Jack's first trip to a Disney park.
You like that? Yeah. Okay.
He didn't hate it. He also didn't do much but sleep
He slept a lot.
and hang out with us. And he didn't really see any characters, but he took some pictures. So that was cool. I mean, what else would he possibly do? He would ride rides, but there's no rides, so it's okay. But we just wanted to share. Okay, in a second. So he's in the room opening up a, what is that? Like a Kinder egg?
No.
Yeah.
It's eggs with toys
Yeah,
and
she
those
goes,
little.
I need help with my toy. But we're just going to share what our favorite thing we ate today. Daddy?
My favorite was the wings. The chicken wings were really
That's
good.
called the sweet and spicy chicken wings.
And my second favorite that was
We had
new.
corn dogs
We ate a lot of
and
things that we had last time. But the second best thing that I had was the mac and cheese with the brisket. Oh, so
I'm
good.
gonna say popcorn.
How about you?
Okay.
I like the pie, popcorn and churros.
Popcorn and churros, some classic.
And corn dogs.
You did like it, but you didn't finish it. Okay, let's be real though. The corn dog was massive. We thought it was gonna be like a Costco-sized corn dog,
Like this
and it was not. It was like double that. So we did not finish the corn
And
dog.
Daddy was like,
Yeah.
His was even bigger. He had the spicy one. My favorite, I really did like the chicken wings. So I think the chicken wings is a winner with us. And we did have the, what was that called?
The pizza.
Oh, the pizza egg rolls. I
That was
still
good.
like those.
We showed that.
Yeah, we did
we
show
had
them.
grilled cheese.
The grilled cheese was really good.
Grilled cheese and tomato soup.
The tomato soup.
Yeah.
And we had, what we didn't show
The
was we had this.
snowman.
Oh, that was, did we show that?
We didn't.
We didn't. Okay,
No.
fine. That was my favorite. I really like that.
We ate a lot, obviously. So this is, this event was called A Touch of Disney, and it really was a touch because we didn't get to ride any of the rides. It was just one park. It
We're
was
coming, hold on.
we were almost there. It almost felt like the real
It
thing.
almost felt like the real thing, minus the rides. I will say though, if there were rides, I would be exhausted right now because it was hard planning just food.
Yeah.
If you made it this far, thank you so much for
Thank you.
watching.
If you guys enjoyed the vlog, be sure to like the vlog and subscribe if you guys are new. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye.